Hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always, you are ready to learn a new strategy, a new mindset, and along with I am back with the new challenge. Yeah, you heard me correct. So I am back with Rocket Trader. So in that one, I will be taking some back-to-back trades. I will be using different strategies, mindset, just to help you with all your trading concerns. At the same time, of course, I will be explaining what exactly I am looking forward. And if that is a challenge, then majority of viewers, they are already aware about that there is going to be a giveaway. So by the end of this session, there will be a lucky one who will be getting a risk-free trade. So I'll make sure that that will be added to the correct account. And how to participate in that one, the contest link I have already shared in the description section. It's already in the comment section, so feel free to pick it from there and participate in that one. All you just need to help me with the a couple of things, like let me show you. So this is how the Google form is going to look like. All you just need to put your trader ID, so that's how exactly it looks in your profile section, and the asset name. Once you click on submit, so that will be visible to me. Perfect, very nice, very nice. Thank you so much, traders. I can see that. So we have started receiving these entries, so I will be picking these one. Now how exactly this challenge is going to work? So in today's session, it's you versus me. You will be telling me that this is an asset where we should take a trade. I will be picking that specific asset, or like whichever strategy I will be applying. As per that strategy, I will be trying to find a signal, but there is one more catch. So that like you will be able to get more and more chances to grab that RFT. So there is going to be a timer also. So what exactly I need to do? I have to place that trade within 60 seconds. And in today's mindset, what exactly we are exploring, that sometimes traders are having extreme pressures. They have to take back-to-back trades, and sometimes they are stating that, sir, sometimes we were able to grab the signal, but sometimes we were not. So in today's section, we will try to use that mindset. We will try to explore that mindset, that scenario, that situation where traders are lacking behind or they are struggling with. Okay, comment section is already active. Traders, feel free to write me whatever the doubts you will be. But ये कॉन्टेस्ट कैसे है, मैं एक क्वेश्चन को रॉन्ग ट्रेड्स कैसे see Pratik ji, what I will be doing, so I will try to pick signals as quick as possible, but there are going to be some situations when I might be facing some negative results, because see, these are just some technical tools which are based on some mathematical calculation. We are going to try to teach you that one, and at the same time, what exactly I want to teach everyone, that it's not about that you have a pressure or you are making some losses, so you have to take aggressive trade or you have to take some random trades. What I am trying to teach you, that you have to be that much focused that if any single confirmation is there, and that is enough for you. Okay, so this is something which I am trying to teach you, and just to make it a bit more attractive. That is the reason that there is a giveaway also. So in today's session, I will be using Japanese candle, or let me do one thing. Let's try to pick a strategy. Like if there is any specific strategy you want to talk about, feel free to write me in the comment section. And I will start with the basic strategy, with the starter level strategy, which is sliding on averages. I will start with this one. Let me enable the strategy. So how this strategy exactly works? In this one, there are two SMAs, 60 and 4. When the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. This is a set of this strategy. Suggested time frame is 1 minute chart time frame, and 2 to 3 candle trade we can pick. In the beginning, I have picked a 30-second chart time frame because I have to take back-to-back trades, so I need to take care of that part as well. But with you, there are no such compulsion, nothing like that. So you can explore the higher time durations also. In the middle of the session, if the strategy will not work properly, of course strategy, so that will be a win-win situation for you also, because you will be able to understand two strategies in one session. And at the same time, any doubt, any questions, make sure you pin in the comment section to give you one more insight. That insight is now sometime when you will be exploring this strategy. So the first confirmation you will be getting when the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. At the same time, reach it, then market can continue the same direction. If the market is trying to move from the upward and breach it, market can move into the downward direction. And at the same time, we might find some points like this one. So these will be acting as support or resistance, which means market can bounce back. So you need to wait for the confirmation for the candle breach for this SMA, candle breach for this SMA. At the same time, stochastic oversold zone, overbought zone, when the market is in either one of them, we will not be price correction. I'm sure, like I have explained this one multiple times, but still, if anything is missing, if you have joined for the first time, just let me know in the comment section. I will be taking care of that one, and I will be explaining it again. Let's do one thing. So let's pick from AUD, CAD, OTC, or let's try to pick from the. So let's do our first trade, Asia Composite, and at the same time a window of 60 seconds, which I have to follow, which I have to cater. Okay, so 30-second chart time frame, 1 minute trade time frame, $15 we will be investing in our first trade, which is Asia Composite. In case if we will be finding any opportunities, of course I will be trying to grab that one. Support, resistance, everything is already breached. Now we need to wait for some corrections or some. Okay, so this one is looking like that market might change the direction. Okay, so our first trade already executed, Asia Composite. Let's see how exactly it goes. And traders, any doubt, any question, feel free to write me in the comment section. Okay, so this one I have picked, so I will keep on highlighting them as well. Let's pick from this one now, Ethereum. And traders, now understand one more thing. There are a couple of things like which I want to share, some important points. So the first one, positive. So far everything is going fine. So unfortunately, nothing for these two traders. So I will remove the highlighted screen. The reason behind, because the trade was positive. So in today's session, only and only negative trades will be considered in the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, let me do one thing. So there are a couple of traders, those who were very excited to participate in today's session. So they have already added their signals, so I need to respect that also. So I will try to pick a couple of signals from them also. Unfortunately, I was not able to enable the timer because I was trying to grab a hold on a couple of things, but now I am all set. Okay, so let's try this one, Astro Composite. Okay, so crypto index, okay, so there is one AUD, CAD, OTC. Let me pick this one also. So AUD, CAD, OTC. Okay, so let's see how these signals are looking like. Okay, so this level is already breached. Let me start the timer again, even though there was almost 21 seconds there left, but still we managed to up. Okay, now traders, let me show you that the reason behind a couple of trades. So sometime when the signal is not there, or the specific strategy is not working, or it is taking time to generate a signal. Compound was also a positive. So let me unlight this one also. Yeah. So what exactly I am doing? So I am trying to work on three basic things. First one, that is the strategy, in which one I am following the SMA directions. At the same time, I am also trying to grab a hold on these stochastic also. It's not like that the more and more technicals you will be applying, the higher accuracy you will be getting. Sometimes it will create some confusion also. So make sure that you apply only a minimum set of rule only. Don't apply too much, because that will create some confusion. At the same time, I am also trying to follow the price action. Now some traders, I'm sure that they are well aware about that one, but some of them, they are still revolving around that what exactly Kunal price action is. So let me tell you what exactly it is. So in this one, major four things are there. First one, support and resistance. So whenever the market is moving in any specific direction, then you will be observing that sometime there are some certain levels market is getting stuck, whether it is moving upward or downward. So the upward direction is the upward, what we call, like, let me give you one example. So if I'll throw a ball on the floor, so there is a level that up to that level the ball will go and it will bounce back. The same rule applies with the roof also. So this is something which is used to happen with the market also. So the more frequently at whichever level the market is getting stuck, that could be the support level or resistance. And this is something which you should focus on. Second scenario, you should also consider some chart patterns. You should also consider some candle patterns, and then always look forward for a trend. As we are always used to mention, trend is your friend. Of course, Kunal is also your friend, but trend is also your friend. So you need to look forward for trend. Market is always moving in a 3 different directions: upward, downward, and sideways. And as I have mentioned, trend is your friend. So of course you need to focus on that. Whenever the market is moving in upward or downward, that is the best time to pick up. And when you will be trying to explore these things, that will be more easy for you to understand that what exactly the market is trying to teach you. Okay, so so far all trades went positive. Unfortunately, none of the trader is lucky enough so far that they were supposed to get some opportunity to grab some RFTs, but no worries, we'll try to explore more. Otherwise, what I will do, of course I will respect that one. We will try to do something else to make sure that the giveaway will happen for sure. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, so let's try Bitcoin OTC. Okay, so how exactly the Bitcoin is looking like, let's have a look on this one. Okay, let me explore. So sometime what exactly you will be observing, that the market is moving in a specific direction, a support level is breached. After some time the same level will become resistance, or that could be vice versa also. So once you draw a level, that could be used for longer rounds. Okay, so again I have opened another opportunity. Let me highlight the Bitcoin also. Okay, let's pick compound, or no, let's USD AUD. USD USD AUD. I think the trader was trying to say AUD USD, or yeah, this currency pair is not available. Let's explore the further one. AUD CHF OTC. AUD CHF OTC. Let's see if any opportunity is there. I believe there can be opportunity. This level is almost breached, but market is still trying to breach that level, but it's getting stuck there. Let me start the timer and let me hunt for the signal. Let me hunt for the confirmation. And traders, let me tell you one more thing. So if you're using, like, this is a way how I am using a support or resistance. So if I'm using it for a very short time duration, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, something like that one, then I will be trying to find the specific prices. But at the same time, if I'm trying to use it for a longer duration, then rather than using a straight line, you can pick a rectangular also. Because sometimes support is not a level, that is a area. A resistance is not a level, it's a area that market can move in a certain level and then bounce back from there within from that area. So if you will be drawing a rectangular, that will be more helpful for you. Okay, so let me highlight this one. Okay, so let's see how the last trade. Okay, so finally we made our first negative result. This one is almost on the edge. Let's see AUD CHF, how that was a no profit, no loss, but no worries, I'll respect it. So both of them will stay highlighted, and then we will try to recover them also. Now let me do one thing, traders, if you want you can just hold for a second, because I need to cover up a couple of comments also. I need to take care of those also. Okay, so let me cover, let me try to get some comments. Okay, बैकग्राउंड की वजह से आई एम सो सॉरी प्रतीक. आई थिंक लेट मी फिक्स इट. Just please confirm me if it is better now. Okay, bro, use high Kanashi candle to filter out noise. See Pratik, we can explore high Kanashi also, but with high Kanashi, the reason I'm not used to follow those strategies, like those candles, the reason behind, because I will not be able to draw a perfect support or resistance in that one. It's not like that in high Kanashi you can't make profit. Of course you can make profit. Different traders, they have different mindset, but I'm used to follow the price action. So price action is more easy to follow when you are using a Japanese candle. This is the way I am trading. But in case if you want me to use high Kanashi, I'll try to use some another strategy which will help you to understand that. Sir, I deposit my whole salary, I lost all and I have a loan now, I don't have money to pay it, then still pending my deposit, can you please help? CB Gaming, I am so sorry to hear about your losses, but understand one thing, please avoid taking trades, please avoid doing trading on a loan, because see, let me tell you the reason behind that. Of course that is also real money, this is also real money, but the reason behind that, why we always suggest that avoid taking trades on a loan, because from the first trade you will be having a pressure that you have to return that money. Okay, now just for an example, you made a deposit of 10,000, or let's assume 5,000. You need to return it as 6,000. Now when you will be making that profit, then you will tell yourself, okay, this 1,000 is only to return the money, then you need to make more. Then you will try to make 2 or 4,000 more. Then you will from 5 to 10, even though if you will reach, then still you will be having something in your mind that will tell you that only 4,000 is your money, rest everything you have to pay to someone, so you need to make more. And that mindset can lead to some over trading, and that pressure can also create some losses. So try to avoid doing that thing. And at the same time, if you have any stuck deposit, I request you just connect with the support team, just drop an email to them, support-en@olymptrade.com, and they will be taking care of. और नोखेलाल जी, सर मैंने 18 फरवरी 2006 को एक 300 लिया था, उसकी वजह से मेरा बैंक अकाउंट. Okay, Nokhelal ji, just connect with the support team. Whatever the documents you have, any screenshot, any email, any message, whatever you have, just share it with your financial analyst. I believe that we have connected so many times, and I'm sure that you have a financial analyst also. But if you don't have, just connect with the support team. They will be taking care of everything. प्रियांशु जी, सर आज मेरा अकाउंट सस्पेंड हो गया है. नेक्स्ट सेकंड आई मेड अ विड्रॉ, मेरा फंड भी अभी तक नहीं आया है. मेरा अकाउंट सस्पेंडेड हो गया है. नेक्स्ट सेकंड. Okay, so Priyanshu ji, just check if any verification is going on the account. Once you will complete the verification, that will be unblocked, and you will be able to use it. Nothing to worry. That could be you might have used some new payment method, so you need to just complete the verification. For the verification, just an introduction, like if I'll give you a quick overview. So what exactly you need to do, sometimes you just need to send the screenshot, upload the screenshot, the payment the deposit which you have made on the platform, and then you need to, I think, share the screenshot of the first page of your bank statement where your name and account number, everything is visible. That's it. Okay, Sumit Patidar ji, the strategy which today I am using, so I am using a basic starter level strategy, that is sliding on average. There is one more reason that why I am using this strategy. Now sometimes some traders have a mindset that expert level strategy is going to be better. If I will be able to use that strategy, I will be making more profit. So this is just a what we call mindset which I am trying to breach. For sure, let me explain it again. So in this one, SMA 60, SMA 4 is going to be there when the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one. That could be the direction of the market. At the same time, higher frequency can act as a support and resistance also. So you will be observing that market is getting stuck at the same time. Let me tell you one more insight also. So sometime if you will be finding any opportunities like this one, like market breached that level, but market was not able to continue for a longer duration. After that, if you will be finding a reversal, that can act in a better way. I'm not saying that it is going to give you 100% accuracy, but this is something which I have observed so many times. Like let's try to explore right away also. So market breached, bounced back, and market continued. Let's try to again. Market breached, it continued also. So no, yeah, this one. Market was already there. It almost breached and then bounced back and continued the same direction. And it's not only about this specific asset. Let me show you examples on some other assets also. Okay, see, this one is a nice example, this one is a nice example. So this is something which you can try, test, explore, and if it works, you can use it on your demo account, on your live account also. Sumit ji, at the same time, just to get another confirmation, what I have done, एक number. Yeah, Pratik ji, let me just explain that one, and then of course I will move back to the live action. Yeah, so apart from that, I am using a stochastic also. The reason behind I am using that, sometimes there are some specific price reversals or some movements when the price is bouncing back. So just to follow that thing, or just to grab hold on that one, I am using support stochastic. So if the market will breach 80 level, market can bounce back, and once the market bounce back will be there, I will be opening the opportunity at that time. Same time, if the market will breach 20, so it's an oversold zone, then we will wait for the price correction and we will take a trade on the counter trend. And this is something which you can also implement. Okay, and the last and for the best, like which I am always used to explore, I am always used to suggest that whenever you are using any strategy, irrespective of the strategy, just the candle pattern should be a Japanese candle. So what exactly you can follow? You can also try to explore price action. In price action, you need to focus on 4 things. Always take trade in a trending market. Second thing, make sure there is no support or resistance level, and if it is there, then make sure you consider that as well. If the market level breach is there, take a trade according to that. If the market is bouncing back from there, take a trade according to that. Then you should consider the candle patterns, and after that you can focus on some chart patterns also. Pratik ji, please tell me what's your difficulty you are facing. Rabani Khan ji, hello, very good evening. Okay, so I believe I have covered majority of the comments, but still, if anything I have missed, you can just drop it again. Pratik ji, I can see that you have typed something, but that was removed. But no worries. If you have any question, just write it down again. Let's move back to the live action again. And okay, so sorry, I'm so sorry, traders. So I can see that so many signals are already there. Let's pick from the bottom. So gold OTC. Okay, so I will pick gold OTC, and I will start the timer again so that we will be able to execute the trade within that time window. Okay, so this level market is getting stuck somewhere around. Let me fix the amount also. I don't want to take a trade with $50 because US market is about to open and we can expect some sudden volatilities as well. Okay, just a quick okay, let's see how this trade will go. Now stochastic is stating market can bounce back. This level was also breached. It's a contradicting situation. Let's see how this trade will close. Let me highlight this one also. Okay, so Euro USD OTC, let's pick this one. Euro USD OTC. Let me start the timer once again. So almost 60 seconds, 16 seconds were there, but we grabbed the opportunity, so we do not need to stick to that. No support resistance nearby. I think this time we will not be able to fetch. Okay, this can be considered. Let's see how this trade will go close. Okay, so gold OTC was a negative. Let's analyze. Okay, and traders, let me tell you that there is a new setup like which we have introduced to the platform. So analyze your trade with AI. So it will give you an idea that what exactly you have followed at that specific time, or what are the things which can be followed. So you can try this new feature also. I'm sure that might help you to get some insights about that what are the mistakes you are making, or what are the things can be considered. This level was breached. Let's do one thing. Let's double up our position. I will move back to the $15. Now traders, you can observe that the strategy which was working very fine for us out of the blue, now it's not working that nicely, and there could be one reason that the market, like US market, is already open, and that is leading to some negative results because sudden volatility is there. I'm not stating that in US market you will not be able to make profit. You can make profit, but sometime there will be some sudden volatilities which will not which will not act as the same they were acting prior to the opening of that session. So sometime the best suggestion which I can do give you, either you can take a quick break like from 6:45 to 7:15, or you can try to hit your take profit prior to that, and this is something which I am used to for. I'm used to hit my take profit like somewhere around 5:30, and then I'm just done with the market. This is the only time when I am having some live sessions. I am trading after that window, and this is the set of rule which I am applying. And traders, one more thing. Sometime you might be observing that I am opening a back-to-back trades. One trade is in the pipeline. I am opening the second one. I am trying to hunt for the third signal. I am looking forward for the fourth signal. The reason behind that, I need to showcase that how the technical works, how the strategy works, and how we can pick them. But with you, there are no such compulsion, no such complication, no such obligations are there. So considering that thing, take one trade, wait for the result. Once the result is there, doesn't matter whether it is positive, negative, then focus on your for next trade. Whether you want to increase the capital, whether you should decrease the capital, mean to say whether you should use your risk management, money management, what set of rule you are going to apply, what is going to be your next opportunity, what things you will be considering. So make sure you analyze the previous trade and then take the next trade. Don't just keep on clicking on up down up down up down. That is not something which we will call it as trading. Let's try compound index. Traders, I'm so sorry. I can see that so many traders have already added so many comments. They have added so many what we call signals. Unfortunately, sometime I'm not able to grab a hold on all of them. The reason behind that, I have to tell you that what are the things you need to focus on, what are the skill set you need to focus on to grab a hold on market. So I'm so sorry for that, but still I really appreciate that everyone whosoever is participating in this contest, whosoever is helping me in this challenge, and they are appreciating. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so let me start. Okay, timer is already start, and I'm not getting any signal so far. If I'll try to grab a hold on this one down, so I have tried to use this level, because this one can be considered as the area. As I have mentioned that you can draw a rectangular also, so I can consider it as an area of support or area of resistance from where we can expect that market can bounce back, and I have executed my trade on the basis of that one. And traders, let me tell you that if you will be able to grab a hold on only price action, irrespective of the strategy, like if you're not able to understand that one, if you're not able to grab a hold on any strategy, even though if you will be able to grab a hold on only price action, you will be able to make handsome trades. I'm not stating that you will be able to make like thousands and millions of dollars, but you will be able to grab a hold on market. And slowly and gradually, once you will keep on exploring it, then you will start excelling in that. Because see, trading is not about like that how quickly you are grabbing it, it's that how well you are grabbing that. Okay, so let's see. AUDC, AD. Let's pick this one also. Stable tick index. Stable tick index. And there can be a nice opportunity. Okay, almost 30 seconds were there. And let's pick this one for upward. Market is trying to breach this one, but okay, so let me give you a bit insights about that how the support and resistance levels work also. So now for an example, the market this is a level of support, this is a level of resistance. Now this type of traders, they will try to push the market in the upward direction. Once the market, like they will buy it from here, and then the more buying will be there, and so that the price will start increasing. Now once the price will start increasing, they might be having some take profit or how much profit they want to make. So for an example, that this is a level from where they want to exit. Now if traders will start making an exit, they will start selling it. So more availability will be there, and less when more availability will be there, then of course the price will start decreasing, then the market will start moving downward. Again buyers will wait that once the market will reach somewhere on this level or on this level, and then they will start buying it again so that they can book their profit. Now on the same time, sometime what exactly happen if the seller is trying to push the market in the downward direction, or they are selling the asset, like the market is keep on moving downward, this level buyer will enter into the market, they will start making buying, but the seller is not ready to sell, or there is a seller that much availability of buyer is not available, that they are going to push the market upward, then the market will keep on moving downward. So what exactly I am trying to say, that whenever you are drawing any support or resistance level and the market is breaching that level, then you can expect that the market will reach to the next support level, or that can bounce from next support level, because now the seller will think that okay, we will sell our position once the market will hit this, and then buyer will start buying from there, and then they will try to grow. And this is how the resistance level also work. Now for an example, this is a resistance level, the buyer is there, they are still holding their position. Some traders, they started making this they started booking their profit, and market started moving downward. Still they are holding their position, and they are trying to double up their position. They are still buying, they are again buying from this source. Then the market will again try to jump. Then the next level could be the next resistance level. Either the market will bounce back from there, because buyer will start selling their positions, they will start booking their profit, and then they will start exit from the market. And so that's how the support and resistance level work. And the reason why I am telling you that sometime when you are taking a trade on the basis of price action in forex, so this is something which you can draw and you can implement. And of course you can also use a trailing stop loss. For an example, let me give you a quick example for that also, because sometimes traders are stating that sir, give some insights about forex also. Now for an example, this is the first level, this is the second one, this is the third one, and let's assume this is the fourth and this is the fifth. Now what I will be doing, I will open my trade from here, considering this level as stop loss, open my position in the downward. Now once the market will breach this level, I will adjust my stop loss to this one, because market will start moving downward. Once the market will breach this level, I will consider the previous level as a stop loss. So I will keep on adjusting it. The reason behind, now for an example, if the market is keep on moving downward, my profit is keep on increasing. Now for an example, I have set my stop loss on this level. market touched this level, then started moving backward. Now once the market will touch this level, my position will be closed, and the profit from this position till this position, everything will be calculated, and that will be added to my trading account. So this is something which you can open, which you can use while using forex trading models. But make sure you use it for a longer time duration, because in that one, for 1 or minute to 1, 2 or 5 minutes, that is not going to help you to make that much profit. So make sure you analyze the chart for a longer duration, minimum 1 hour to 4 hours, and then open your position. Okay, let me take a few more comments. Traders, I'm so sorry. Okay, so there are so many comments. Okay, so bro, I have a problem. I just need 5 minutes, please, if you would allow me. For sure. So भाई मैं जून ऑफ ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट की बिकॉज ऑफ मुझे मेरा लर्नर रहा था, तो आई एम लर्निंग एवरीथिंग. सो आफ्टर 1 मंथ विद द फुल कॉन्फिडेंस मैंने 2000 रुपीज़ का डिपॉजिट किया. फिर मैंने पहली बार वेरी नाइस, बट फिर इमोशन कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया एंड मैंने सब लूज कर दिया. सी Pratik, understand one thing. Every trader is facing this scenario once in their life. Like they will make a deposit, they will make a nice capital, and then they will try to grow it in a better way, and they are wiping it off. Then understand one thing. Every day, this is something which I am used to repeat in every session. Every day is not Christmas. Every day is not Diwali. Every day is not Eid. Then every day is not profit. There might be some days when you will be making some losses. Completely fine, accept it, that's it. Understand one thing, market is going to open tomorrow, day after, and every day. Now if today market is not working in your favor, there is a possibility market will work fine tomorrow. Now you will be able to trade tomorrow only if you have capital in your trading account, and that is the basic or the most important rule of trading. What exactly it says? You can make capital if you have capital. And having capital in your trading account, my friend, that doesn't mean at all that you should make deposits again and again. That always means that whatever the deposits you have made, try to use it in that way that you will be able to use for as long as possible. And this is something which you should learn as soon as possible. If you think, or if you want to say that, okay Kunal, I want to be a successful trader, or I want to be a trader who can survive in the market, this is something which you have to do. And by doing that one, there should be a take profit, there should be a stop loss. Once you will touch any one of them, exit the market. That's it. तो फिर मैंने वापस नेक्स्ट मंथ जुलाई की पॉकेट मनी ले ली, 1000 रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट किया, और मैंने लाइक फिर से 11,000 में कन्वर्ट किया, और फिर इमोशन में आके फिर से दोबारा पूरा पैसा. नाउ सी, दिस इज समथिंग वेयर यू वर सपोज टू स्टॉप. यू कैन डू वन मोर थिंग्स. नाउ सी, अंडरस्टैंड, you made a deposit of 1000, you made it 2500 or 3000, let's assume. Now what you will be doing, you will tell yourself again that okay Kunal, or okay Pratik, or okay Priyashu, whosoever is trading, you will tell yourself that okay, I have started with 1000, I have reached to 3000, let's start it again from 1200 and try to reach 3000. This time the path is shorter as compared to previously I started from 1000, I reached to 3000. Now I have to start from 1200. Now the rest 1800 is the amount, either you should withdraw it or just move it to the different. That's it. Now what exactly will happen? Either you will make another profit or you will lose it. If you will make another profit, again follow the same. Keep 1400 and withdraw rest of the money. If you will lose that 1200, that's it. Come back tomorrow. Because once you will make a profit, make sure you hold your capital, and there should be some profit in addition to that. So like ऐसे ही मैंने अपने नवंबर तक पैसे ले लिया, और मैंने 5,000 इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम 1000 रुपीज़, बट इमोशन में आके सब लूज कर दिया, और ना दोबारा करना चाहता हूँ. एंड आई हैव कॉन्फिडेंस कि अगर मैं 1000 से 10,000 बना सकता हूँ, अभी भी कर सकता हूँ. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज, मैंने वो स्ट्रैटेजी भूल गया हूँ, और मैं अब इतना कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ कि कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी यूज़ करूँ. सी प्रतीक, देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट. I will be able to use only that strategy, this strategy, or which strategy is going to make profit for me or which is not going to lead some profit. It's always depending on your skill set. Once you are using any strategy, just explore it on your demo account and then try to explore that whether it is working for you or not. If it is working, take it to your live account. If it is not working, let it be. Move to the next one. But before you just let it be, make sure you open at least 100 trades with that strategy and then conclude whether it is working for you or not. Because sometimes there is some sudden volatility in the market, and the market trades are not going positive, and we will conclude this strategy is not working. Let it be. But that could be a strategy which can create profits for you. I'm not trying to fascinate you, but I'm just giving you a reality check. These are the things which you have to follow before concluding anything, that whether this is going to work for you or not. अब तो मैंने प्रैक्टिस भी छोड़ दी है, मैंने डेमो पे ही एक भी ट्रेड नहीं ले पाता हूँ. सी प्रतीक, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली फाइन. आई कम्प्लीटली रिस्पेक्ट योर डिसीजन बिकॉज यू हैव मेड सम नेगेटिव रिजल्ट्स ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. You have made a huge capital and after that you have wiped it off, so I completely understand. But understand one more thing: whether you are going to take trade now, today, tomorrow, day after, ever on any platform, make sure you follow these things. You need to focus on your risk management, money management. You have to stick to your take profit, stop loss, and then you should move on it. Okay. Rishabh, just give me 2 more minutes. Let me just cover all the comments and then I will be covering that. Naveen Ji is saying Bollinger Band strategy, please. Naveen Ji, I'm so sorry. We are about to finish. If you would have asked me to do that earlier, of course, I would really like to help you, but unfortunately we will not be able to. But let me just give you a quick insight about that one. So if you are talking about double Bollinger, you can apply it manually also. No need to buy that strategy. And what exactly you need to focus on, so when the market is going to breach the upper level or the bottom level, you can consider that there can be a price reversal. At the same time, just to make a second confirmation, you can use volume indicator also. Like for an example, the market is keep on moving downward, candles are touching the bottom level, and at the same time you will find that in the volume indicator the buyer candle, the buyer bar is bigger, it is keep on increasing, then you can explore that there can be a price reversal. So that can act as a second confirmation. If you don't want to use volume, you can use stochastic also. You can use RSI within a frequency of 10 to 14, that can also be picked. And yeah, the reason like why I'm giving you a set, that one is indicator, one is oscillator, so that will not crowd up your screen, so you will be able to observe that what exactly is happening. You will be able to understand that what technicals are trying to tell you. Okay, Kamalji is saying, hello sir, my trade ID is this, my withdrawal shows sent status but not received, also deposit also shows cancel but amount not refund or not even added in my account. Kamalji, nothing to worry about that one. If your withdrawal is processed, just for an example, if you have made that withdrawal by IMPS, so 24 hours to 5 working days is the processing time by their processing unit, like that specific payment method. So just stay calm, nothing to worry, you will receive your capital. At the same time, if any of your deposit got cancelled, that could be because of any reason, slow network, server error, anything, nothing to bother about that one. Just take the screenshot, connect with the support team, ask them, sir, this is the amount which I haven't received. Once they will fix it, once your amount will reflect in your trading account, that will be updated to successful. Make sure if you have any doubt, question, query, any issue, anything regarding that, just connect with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. That's it, they will be taking care of. Sir, बताइए ऐसे में कैसे ट्रेड करा जाए? I'm so sorry, Kamal ji, I completely understand your condition, because if you will not be able to have capital in your trading account, how you will be able to take trades? But make sure whenever you are making any facing any difficulties, कनेक्ट विद देम. मैं अब जरूर अब से कैपिटल की रिस्पेक्ट करूंगा, मैं लिमिट में रहूंगा इवन ऑन डेमो. यस, that is the best Pratik which you can follow. Once you will start applying your limits, your set of rule on your demo, then that will be more easy for you to follow the same on a live account. So make sure you respect it. $100 is equal to, some traders are stating, first trade for 15, second trade for 30, third trade for 55. Mean to say 3 trade. But $100 for me is equal to 100 opportunities to make profit. And that is what exactly I'm trying to teach you, that respect your capital. There are some traders, those who will be stating that, sir, one day I will be having 1 lakh in my trading account, I will be trading seriously, or I will be having 20,000 in my trading account, I will be trading seriously. But today I have only 2,000, so let it be. Let's make an investment and take a couple of random trades. Now understand, traders, one thing: if you are not able to hold your 2,000, I'm so sorry to say, but sometime it will be hard for you to hold 20,000 or 2 lakh. So respect your 2,000 first. And there is a possibility that, for an example, some traders are stating that, sir, on 10th of this month I will be getting salary, I will be making a deposit of 10,000. Today I have 1,000 only, so let me take some random trades. Try to use that 1,000 in that way that there is a possibility that once the 10th of this month will be there, you already might be having 9,000 in your trading account, so you need to make a deposit of 1,000 only, to have that psychological level also and that mindset. Okay, so try to understand that thing. It's not always about the capital, how much you have, it's always about that how you use it. Okay, so make sure, traders, you respect it, so that you will be able to grow further. So traders, I can see that we have tried to take a couple of trades. A few trades were positive, a few trades were negative. So as a result, so what we have concluded, that so far only 6 entries were there which were taken to the which trades were negative. So just give me a quick insight, that should I consider all the trader IDs in the Wheel of Fortune, or should I pick only those 6? Just give me a quick voting on that one. Those who want that I should pick all the trader IDs, give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Those who think that no, I should pick only the selected one, then give me a smiley. Just make it a quick voting for that one. If you want me to take all the trader IDs, let me show you, if you want me to consider all these trader IDs in the Wheel of Fortune, just let me know in the comment section. Just give me a thumbs up. If you want me to pick only these trader IDs, those who were those trades I was not able to either execute, or those trades were negative, so should I pick these one? So you can give me a smiley. Otherwise I am planning to pick only these selected one. But if any one of you is thinking that I should pick, okay, so Prateek is saying that I should pick only the selected one. Let's see if we will be having one more vote. So we will try to pick as per that. Okay, so no, we didn't receive, only one vote was there. So let's do one thing, rather than to be honest, I guess everyone deserves, so so sweet of you, so sweet of you. But we got the first vote for this one, second one for again back for this one. But let's do one thing, no such voting is there, no so much responses are there. So let's do one thing, let's try to keep it clear, keep it genuine. So I will pick only the selected one. So how exactly it is going to work? So I have a inbuilt software, so in that one I will be pasting all these trader IDs. Let me showcase that also. So that will analyze that how many signals we got from each trader ID. Let me show you. Okay, so that's how exactly it looks like. So we have picked majority of signals from this trader ID, then from this one, then from this one. Now once I'll click on that query, once I'll run that query, then system itself will pick a winner and it will be visible as win. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so today's winner is 129850342. I'm repeating it again, it's visible on the screen also. It's 129850342. So my congratulations to the winner of today's this contest. You will be getting your promised risk-free trade. Okay, and I'll make sure that these RFTs will be added to your account shortly, and you can enjoy them, you can use them. At the same time, if you are still available in the session, please confirm me if your trader ID is correct, so that I'll make sure that these will be added to the correct account. At the same time, I will be giving a shout out to your name also, so everyone can understand or everyone can conclude that this is the trader who won today's RFT. And before concluding today's session, traders, requesting you again, feel free to connect with us, feel free to join these sessions. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so that we can grow our community. We will be able to learn okay, let me do something for second. Rishabh, I'm so sorry. I'll look into it. I'll just have a conversation. In case if there will be something, we will try to add a few more these winners also, for sure, because I can see that nowadays more and more traders are excited to participate in that one. So of course we will respect that one. We might come up with more and more contest and more gift, more and more giveaway also. But before coming to that, traders, again telling you that every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English, every Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, we are coming live on this session. Me, my colleagues, my fellow traders, they are coming live, and we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, these things, so that we can help our traders in their trading concerns. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. If you are comfortable with some another language like Thai, Portuguese, Arabic, like these ones, so we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, make sure you explore it as per that. Okay, and whatever the technicals you are learning from me, any of my colleague, any resource, make sure you try it on your demo account first, so that at least you will be able to learn it. Okay, once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then feel free to take it to your live account and explore it. And again, I will suggest you, trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time so that you will be able to grow your capital. So that's it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for your love, your appreciation, for your comments, for your participation in the that today's challenge. I'm sure that you liked it, you loved the information you grabbed, you learned everything whatever was required to. And this was your host, your buddy, your friend, your elder brother, your younger brother, Kunal Kapoor, your host, your financial analyst. Thank you so much. Stay connected, keep learning, keep earning. Bye bye, take care, cheers.